Hello and welcome, I'm John from DIY e-liquid recipes, and for today's video we are back with another cereal flavor review. So this is berry cereal from the Flavor Apprentice. I have still a few cereal concentrates to go through and review for you, but the more I use them, the closer I come to the same conclusion. Cereal flavors are weird. Other than a couple good and clean tasting flavors, most of them will either have too much of acetylpyrazine or include a too strong of a side accent. Especially lemon seems to be very popular with cereals to be used on the side. So this common problem leaves us only with a few clean tasting flavors to use. For today's recipe, I picked berry cereal because it's one of the better TFA cereals available. Surprisingly, TFA has a lot of cereal flavors and even a category just for them. So from all their cereal related flavors available, I picked 3 that I will review for this series. 2 of the reviews will be the best 2 TFA cereals, and the last one will be a least favorite one. And starting today with a really good one, the berry cereal. This flavor tastes a lot like Compton Crunch. It has a good amount of grain without overdoing it, and it will work as a bakery base or as a crunchy accent very well. The berry part comes out very weak in flavor, but you can still taste it. There is a slight citrus or lemon taste too, but since it's a berry flavor, it is excused and expected. Altogether, it's a good, slightly fruity cereal vape. If you're looking for something that will have more crunch than a flake type of cereal, then the berry cereal would be the one to recommend. If you would like to have none of the berry flavor included here, then you could try the crunchy cereal flavor from TFA again, but it's not exactly just a berry cereal without the berry. It feels like it's missing something, but still it's a nice flavor. So as it comes to about regular cereals, I believe berry cereal is one of the best flavors TFA has to offer. Now we'll quickly show you the recommended ratios to use this concentrate and move on to a recipe that I prepared for you with this flavor. This is a nice concentrate to vape solo. It won't be the best one ever, but you could still mix up something decent just with this flavor alone. For a mild cereal vape or with something with medium flavor, use it from 6% up to 9%. If you like an extra bold and crunchy vape, you could try it at 12%, and I wouldn't recommend going higher than 15%. Usually, you should use it only in ratios this high if you're using a mouth-to-lung device only. As a base for other bakery and cereal e-liquids, it works very well from around 5 up to 10%, with 5% being a good starting ratio for new recipes. And last, you can add it in for some extra crunch or as a side booster very low at 1% and going up to 3%. Even though at 3% it is a little high and it should be considered side flavor. In any case, as you can see, this flavor has a wide usage and it could be very useful when creating new recipes. Now last, I have prepared a quick recipe to show you with this flavor so you can have something to start with if you just bought berry cereal for the first time. This is a creamy and crunchy e-liquid called Light Berry Cream. As you can see, it has the berry cereal and Bavarian cream as a base. These two are very nice TFA flavors that work also excellent with each other. And finishing with a little bit of flavor as marshmallow to add some extra body and mouthfeel to the mix. The marshmallow is sweet enough, but I find that 0.5% of sweetener will bring the flavor a lot more forward. It's a nice and simple recipe, and at this point it has become my main cereal recipe to go to if I'm feeling like vaping something crunchy. Of course, you could add on top of it more creams or fruits and get a whole new e-liquid. Okay, so as a summary, you can see berry cereal is a very useful and flavorful concentrate. It has a good realistic flavor and it will add a nice crunch to other mild flavors. You can vape it solo or in a recipe and it will still bring something good to the table. It's a nice all-around cereal flavor. Now this video came out a little longer than the usual flavor reviews, but hopefully it was helpful and with some new insights. If you have something also to share with us about this concentrate, leave us your thoughts below. Thank you once more for being here, and I will see you again on the next video.